um, ever wonder why a cute animal movie can suddenly feel complicated? And that's the question swirling around. The first film was a critical and commercial success, charming audiences with its vibrant world and relatable characters. Now, early reactions are flooding in, and while most praise the humor and heart, a certain phrase keeps popping up, raising eyebrows and sparking debate. Uh, Critics are calling the sequel fast-paced, funny, and emotionally resonant. Many are highlighting the standout animation and the return of beloved characters. One reviewer described it as a sweet story about love, friendship, and proving oneself. Another raved about the film's courage and emotional depth. Uh, but amidst the glowing reviews, uh, a different sentiment is emerging. Several early viewers have used the phrase timely social commentary to describe the film. This isn't necessarily a bad thing, but for families wary of recent Disney films that have leaned heavily into political messaging, it's a red flag. One person on social media expressed concern, stating they wouldn't be taking their kids after hearing the film described this way. It seems audiences are now conditioned to expect a hidden agenda whenever timely is mentioned. Um, so, what does this all mean? Most reactions emphasize the strong comedy, bright animation, and emotional beats. The film appears to deliver on the classic elements. However, the repeated use of terms like thematically rich and social commentary leaves many wondering if there's more beneath the surface. Is a return to pure family entertainment, or is it another attempt to deliver a lecture disguised as a cartoon? It's a question parents are asking as they weigh whether to take their kids to see the film. It's worth noting that Disney has a history of incorporating social messages into its films, but recent efforts have been met with criticism from those who feel it detracts from the entertainment value of the work. Only time will tell if manages to strike the right balance. Will it be a heartwarming adventure that everyone can enjoy, or will it be remembered as a missed opportunity? Speaking of animals, did you hear about the lion who became a comedian? His jokes were absolutely roarsome. But that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.